Hey everybody, very fresh morning to everyone who have participated in today's pre-market outlook session conducting for the date of 10th November 2025. Since the recent ended week given a signal of both in the correction phase and in the recovery path in the last or final trading session. Anyhow, our important level we have pronounced that was 25,365, which acted as a very crucial support point. Hope you all have observed that point, how it has acted. Because of that point's support or overwhelming response, the market on Friday, though it has broken the level of 25,365, it could not close below that because that is what the strength of that particular level it is having. That was the 15th of October's high. As it has closed or retained the level on the daily closing basis, it is very important to note by all the traders hereafter, it should not again break, and more importantly, it should not close even a single trading session. It should not close below 25,365 level. Until it is holding this level, long traders or long builders can enjoy the every session of the trading sessions coming on the way, and with a strategy of buy on dips. That is what the important thing we have to notice while approaching the market hereafter. And as said, it should not break even in the second time. If it is breaking the 25,365 or wholesome or a psychological value of 25,300 means where one can see the Nifty will be eyeing for the level of 25,000, even 24,700, which may be happening within this month, provided the Nifty broken decisively or closes below the 25,365. Make a note of this mean point, which will be acting as a core pivotal point for the trend of the Nifty. And based on the confirmation the level is giving or providing, one can take the direction on your trading. So that is very important to all the traders on the positional perspective. For the day, the opening session could be expected in the way of favorable manner for Indian markets, despite there are mixed kind of markets are across the globe. But anyhow, Asian region market would be very important for the Monday's trade. So that are all giving support for India to experience a positive open. Anyhow, that would be a flat to positive one. After opening, the markets can be watched in the way of the levels we have discussed and mentioned in the report here. And as long as it is holding with a buy on dip strategy, the day traders even can approach the Nifty in the way of building the longs with the support of 25,365 followed with the 25,300 for the day. On the higher side, the resistance can be seen around the level of 25,650 as a core, but immediate one, that one. And the final one, we can expect the maximum Nifty's atom can be seen on the higher side would be around 25,800 zone. That is what the levels based discussion for today's trade, along with the strategies of buy and dip till the supports are getting retained or sustained above, would be very helpful for the traders to achieve higher returns instead of immediately jumping or rushing into buying at the current levels. So positional perspective also we have stated that as long as the Nifty oscillating between the 25,400 and 25,650, there would be no significant breaks seen. In case the either side of ranges getting broken means there onwards 25,300 to 25,800 for the day and 5,365 below any close, if it is giving, means 24,700 as a maximum can be seen, as discussed earlier. For the day, the sectors which are all expected to move the markets include very core sectors starting with bank and finance. That would be in a pivotal range, as like for the Nifty we have discussed, which can push the market up or pull the market down based on the level we have discussed. That should be very important. After which, automobiles, real estate, metals, along with some more sectors like defense, public sector enterprises also can be added in a secondary manner. On the stocks front, based on technical behavior and results-oriented stocks, starting with the BSC Limited, Bajaj Auto, Divi's Laboratories, Hindalco Industries, Hindustan Aeronautics, Power Finance Corporation, National Aluminium Company, Havells India, Anantraj Industries, and Trent Limited. The day traders can watch out these stocks to get an enhanced trading prospects. Today's results for the September ending quarter include the core one from the Nifty 50 is Bajaj Finance, ONGC. Then among other sectors, Jindal Stainless, Housing and Urban Development Company, Gujarat Gas, KEC International, KPIT Technology, Ether Energy, Sarda Energy, and Vodafone Idea. Amongst many, they are providing their results, which are all core companies to be watched out. Keeping stop loss hereafter, particularly while the pivotal point, the Nifty and the Sensex are standing, it is very important to keep the stop loss. So that's it from today's pre-market discussion we can have. We wish everyone to have a fabulous trading day. Thank you for participating in today's session. We'll meet again in tomorrow's one. Thank you.